In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw crypto in Revolut. So if you want to convert your crypto back into fiat currency and withdraw this, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Now, first, just go and click on crypto from the Revolut app. You then need to scroll down and go and select the cryptocurrency that you want to sell. So in my case, it's XRP, so I'm going to click on this. You can then click on sell. Now from this page, you need to go and select the amount of crypto that you want to convert back into fiat currency. So I'm going to be selling everything, so I can click on the sell button in the top navigation, and that's going to select your entire amount of this specific currency. You can then click on the drop down arrow and select what currency you want this converted into. So in my case, I'm going to be converting it into British pounds. Once you've done that, just press review order. It's going to give you a bit more information about the fees involved in this transaction, and it will tell you how much you're going to receive in your chosen currency. So once you're happy with all of this, just go and press confirm order, and this will be sent over to your main Revolut fiat account. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.